traders, this is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Thursday, November 10th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today, another phenomenal volatility today. In the market, we had like 8 trades or something like that. No losers today. I'm going to run through what we did I'm just going to go from left to right. In gold, we had a short in gold, and that was an understanding trade right at the open, 1273 3, and that one went down. We had a first target there was 50 ticks, and then for those who were still in, when it came back down, I said it really needs to get to a certain level below here. That failed 2-3 times here for about 10 minutes. So I said, hey, this is a nice spot as well. That's about that was down at that point. It was down about 90 ticks or so. Actually went further than that over here, which some people might have got, but up to about 90 ticks on that trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade. And then when the market came back up, we had an S play, and I just wanted to wait a bit because we were in another short. And had a lot of questions managing things and stuff like that on that, because we got in multiple times. So I just said, let's hold off on that. And the thing just took, this green candle came all the way up here, started going up. I'm like, we're just going to have to pass on that. But if we weren't in here, we would have been in this one. And then we had on crude, we had a opportunity at 44.76. That one went up 15 ticks, and then that was all we got on that one, 15 ticks. And then again in the ES, I wanted to get short on the ES here. A couple of people asked if we could hit this again. We could have, but I just said let's wait. We might hit it short up here, which we could have done as well, but we were still dealing with this, because we had people short. We got in 3 times here, but we did have a short up there. We just didn't take it again because we were in something. So that was 15 ticks over here, and then we had a power play short, and I told everybody to take it up around 80, 87 to 89 up here. And as you'll see, that one went down from 89. Some people got in at 89. Other people waited for 74, and it went down. You'll see there down to about 55 there. So we got about up to 34 ticks on that trade. I'm going to call that kind of the same trade. It was a power play. It was actually an RS/power play. There, up to 34 ticks. We took a pre-market in the ES, which was a short at, let me get you that price, because we were looking for the downside short of 67.25. And that was an add-on. Told everybody, look, they might get volatile when they're positioning for the open. We easily were able to add and then get out when it came down right before the market opened. Market opened up, came all the way up here, came down, and again, we were already in another trade, but we were in the gold trade, and then when the market came back down, we just started hitting it. We got short at 67.25 at 906. Then we got short on an RS at 918, 64.50, 64.75, and then we hit it yet again on an understanding trade at 60.25 at 927 here, and that one never looked back at all, never gave us any kind of grief, and that went down to our 56 target, 56.25, and then down to our 49 to 50. By the way, this 49.50 I was talking about this the whole time. So, we had 3 different entries. We had a UT, we had an RS, and another UT. Total all in all on that trade, it went from 67.25, about almost 20 points. Went about 19.5 points, 19 points, let's say, from the top. Just a beautiful day there. And then we got long on power or on an understanding trade at 60 quarter. And again, I had this circle here the whole time, told everybody 4 quarter, and it may start to have a problem because we had a potential reversal trade there. We did get long at 60 quarter, 60.50. That one went up for 4 points, and then it was just, we were done. We had like 8 trades. We thought I was considering reversing here and going short. And that would have been good for like 9 points, but we had just had enough. We were closing up here, and it was just a great day. So we're going to come back again tomorrow, as usual, do it all over again. And until then, traders, happy trading.